So you're thinking about getting a tuning tool for your garage or workshop business, but you don't know which one to get. Well, can I recommend this one? If you're doing a lot of European vehicles, you need regular protocol updates and you want to be at the forefront of what's happening with new model releases. This is the Autotuner tool and it's very comprehensive. So why do you want one? Well, it looks good, but the main reason is it's incredibly quick, very quick at pulling data and very quick at pushing data back into the ECU, and also transmissions, the TCU. So whether you're doing engines or transmissions, and as I say, this is updated very frequently, this is a fantastic tool to use. Another facet of this is a very simple modern interface. That means less friction in the workshop, a faster workflow. So if you're already a business that's doing a lot of tuning, this will help you keep up with the pace. It's also fantastic value. Not only is it a very fast and efficient tuning tool, it also gives you data logging and DTC reading ability. So if you're going that extra mile and need greater functionality, that's all included. If you're an experienced busy tuner, it is the perfect thing to have in your toolbox. But even if you're just starting out with your tuning business, because of the training we have here at VIEZU, it is still the perfect tool. So let's have a look at what's in the box. So what's in the box? Well, the good news is everything you could possibly need, including all of your training, ongoing support, and video training modules forever going forward. The tool itself is absolutely beautiful. Alloy case, beautifully finished with your ports on the end. That feels quite premium, I have to say. But you've also got everything you could need connection-wise for OBD, boot and bench. You've got your flash drives, your power supplies. It's all there, it's all part of the package. Now, if you're just starting out, the startup kit includes 5 free car files, but also the battery stabilizer, so you've got the constant voltage when you're working on the vehicle. If you want to go a notch above, go for the Pro Kit, that's 10 free files. You also get the diagnostic tool, the extremely lengthy extension cable, and so you look good at work, also the VIEZU jacket and polo shirt combo. So you look like a pro, even before you've picked up a tool. And if you would like to get your business earning a little more in the workshop, all you have to do is go to the VIEZU website.